Bitcoin right now is consolidating in a ascending triangle formation, and in today's video, guys, we are going to have a look at where Bitcoin might break out and what are the targets of this potential breakout. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin content, make sure to scroll below this video and to smash up that like button. Guys, it would be awesome if we could reach 100 likes on today's video. Then let's go to the pattern in Bitcoin, and this is called a ascending triangle formation because we have a horizontal resistance and we have a uptrending support so far, right? Normally, this is a bullish pattern, and I would argue that this is even more bullish because we've entered this from a uptrend. So normally, every pattern can function as a continuation pattern. But if we also have a pattern that has a higher likelihood to break out to the upside because of the horizontal resistance, and we've entered that pattern from an uptrend, I think that the chances of Bitcoin breaking upwards here is definitely between 60 and 80%. So that's actually quite nice if we look at it statistically. Nevertheless, that doesn't mean that it cannot break down. Of course, it can also break down. Only the chance of that happening is lower than breaking up. Then, what are the target of this formation? Well, if we take the width of the triangle, and I'm not taking it at the exact end, but a little bit right here where we have these candles, there we take the width right here, put at the point of breakout. If Bitcoin were to break out to the upside, the target of this formation would be around slightly around 31,000 US dollars. However, do take in mind that that would definitely be a level a lot of traders would be watching. So if you are trading this, I would highly recommend you to already set a take profit below the actual target. Then when we would break out to the downside, depending on where in time we are going to break out, of course, the target would be roughly at 25,600. And I want to talk about a potential breakdown because if we do see a breakdown right here, we always still have the chance that Bitcoin is going to touch this level. Actually, let me get rid of the EMA ribbon. Because we are trading in this sideways range, right? And we actually have the bottom of the range coming in at 26.8k. So if we break this uptrending support, we still could touch that low of the range and still bounce. That most likely will be very shortly lived, also what we have seen right here. But I would argue that the chances are actually higher for Bitcoin to remain in this uptrend, as we also have seen this buy wick right here. And if we decisively would break back into this one, I will show you on this chart, then we actually lose this former resistance that right now flipped into support as well if we would trade back at the low of the range. So I would argue that the chances are more likely that Bitcoin is trading in this ascending triangle formation, that we are going to see a breakout for the end of this week, or maybe Sunday evening at the latest. We most likely will have seen a breakout. If we go to whaleportal.com, we can actually see that the average funding fee slightly is coming down. And that is a good sign because we actually want this funding fee to come down as much as possible. We would love to see it even negative because that would confirm the bias that we are going to break out to the upside, because negative funding rates will create the liquidity that is needed for Bitcoin to push higher. This chart, also the stablecoin dominance chart, will definitely confirm our thesis. Whenever Bitcoin is making a move, this chart will tell us whether that move is the right move or whether that move might be a potential fake out. Then another chart I want to show you guys is the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 looks actually quite good because we had this rising channel, we broke down, but now we just are trading back into the rising channel. So that support level is very important at roughly 4,050. And if we can hold above that support and remain in this channel, then S&P 500 actually looks extremely bullish. Guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can do so on multiple exchanges. I would highly recommend you to do so on Bybit. I have an affiliate link down below this video. And if you sign up on Bybit using this affiliate link, you can get a bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars. But you can also get access to WhaleAlerts, where we are sharing extra information about altcoins or trading setups or extra videos. So make sure, if you are interested in that, to join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. If you are from the United States, you can also join with a bitget account, but for that you need to go to the whaleportal website to check for the bitget link. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button, that is very much appreciated. Let's check if we can get today's video 200 likes, that would be amazing. Then I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.